one side at a time. Driver side, we're gonna hit it, knock it out. This is from Metal Up, strip bare, 2 coats, EPX 908. These panels are really clean, and I'm gonna tell y'all something. We went through almost twice as much material stripping this thing, simply because how much Bondo they had on this vehicle for no reason in places. That's why it pays to know what you're doing. You're able to save on material, but listen, this is what they did. They had that right there filled with filler. All of this was filled with filler. See, now listen now. I'm gonna show y'all something. So they have pop rivets in there, right? So I understand their concept and what they were aiming for, which isn't a bad idea. They were trying to keep this from moving, this panel from moving, and try to keep the water from getting up in there. And they went and they put their filler. They used short strand, they did. So it was pretty, durable material they used. But here's the problem with the vibration of the vehicle, and right here at this area, right near the wheel, the vibration is gonna eventually crack that filler. So what I would have done if I went this route would be weld it all the way up, grind it out, and then put my kitty hair filler, my short strand filler. That's it's a less expensive way to do it, but it's also a route you can take that'll last you, especially if you're not going for a show car. This right here, this particular vehicle is hard to locate parts for it. So you have to work with what you got. And the deeper you go into metal work, the more it can cost. So right here, what you're seeing, this is the inner fender well. Right here, I didn't grind, I didn't do that. That was like that. It was filled with filler. Same thing here, same thing there. So we're gonna take care of all of that, cut that out, and we're gonna put a fresh piece in there. Same thing here. And I'm gonna debate if I'm gonna put, separate all of this, make up a panel that comes all the way down. But that'd be a lot of time and hours into that. So I'll see what we're gonna do. Like I said, either way it go, we ain't gotta worry about it doing what it did the last time. Even if we weld up, put us a bead all the way throughout down here, and cut out what needs to be cut out, and grind that out. Nice smooth transition, no booger welds, nothing like that. You want to make sure it's a nice smooth transition where there's nothing visible that you welded there. And then when you go back and put your filler and everything, you won't have to put as much filler, because it's a nice little transition right here, so it can be done. This right here was pulled down for some reason. I'm believing the tire maybe got up in there, caught or whatever, but we're gonna get that back straight and back sound, and we're gonna go from there. Like I said, one side at a time. We can't do the whole car at one time. The more efficient you are, the better for the vehicle, the better for you, and the better for the customer, because you're gonna have a lot of consistency throughout the whole vehicle. So I'm starting on the driver's side, and we're gonna go to the passenger side, and then we're gonna go to the trunk and the roof. So we got a lot of work to do on this one. So you guys make sure y'all stay tuned, and make sure y'all, follow the progress. Y'all got it. Let's get it.